the way. It's another episode of Kim's Nature Adventures.
Behind the trash can there. You see him?
What the heck kind of...
Oh, he's a big snake. That's a real frog in my floor. Yes, it is.
I'm brave in the gross because I really... This was good. I didn't expect this one. Did not see this part coming. Alright, so we're down in the floor. I'm getting brave. Oh, God. I'm crazy. Crazy stupid here. Let's see. It's gross down here. There he goes! See him over there? Little froggy. Come on, froggy. Where he goes. Come on, froggy. Just trying to show the people. There's the froggy in my floor. Say ribbit. He's hiding in my floor. That's dampness that we don't want. This is Kim Nature Safari. Kim from Kim Nature Safari saying, water damage creates ecosystems. Well, maybe he eats some of the bugs down here. Okay, keep up the good work, Froggy. Also today, my snail friend has come to help with the drilling. What do you think? Is that a good Phillips tip there, Mr. Snail? I don't know why the snail decided to crawl up there. Like, I didn't put him there. He's like just chilling up there all on his own. I'm not gonna bother him. I don't need to drill right now. As you can see, we do have the hot water tank, which makes it nice and get a nice warm shower every night after I'm done working on stuff, taking the garbage out and plugging away a little at a time. I can slow down and not murder myself now that there's hot water and there's no leaking. Things are starting to dry out. The smell is being abated by the cold and drier weather. Doing the floor, and the wiring is not in the floor, but apparently this wire here, I don't know where it comes from, but it goes into this wall. There's no indication that there's any electrical in this wall. But this wire goes up and into this wall. It goes probably into the room on the other side. And whoever took the previous floor out, you could see there was a floor here that someone sawed out before they laid down this particle board. See how it's different materials. Anyways, just so you could see for sure that this is not me. And look how old this is. You could see somebody took a substantial bite out of that wire. And guessing the outlet on the other side of the wall doesn't work very good, but that's also a little bit of a hazard. So we're going to get the electrical tester and see if we can trace that down and get the electrical expert in here to get that fixed up before we move too much further forward. And it's a good thing that didn't shock anybody or cause a fire. So just be on your toes, you know. This construction's dangerous. This was sagging. Now that one's up. This is, I might still sister this so it's a little bit stronger, but I'm going to put it up. I'm going to put from across, and then I'm going to use a joist hanger here so that this is, well, I'll show you instead of tell you. But I thought you might be horrified as I was to see how bad that electrical fault is. This is our hole in our hot water tank, and then we are going to go in the crawl space. That's the old part of the house. Now this is under my apartment.
First off, we have just a little problem, which is a hole in the heating vent. Oh, the little light you'll see. There's a hole in the heating vent where the mouse chewed through, which is no big deal. We'll take care of that. I'm not worried about any of that stuff. This is some dirt. It's an old crawl space, and this beam is okay. It looks a little bit dry, but I guess it's okay. This one seems to have what we'd call a crack, and the next one seems to have a much bigger crack. So there's some structural deficiency in this old cabin. Floor, not trampoline. Don't do jumping jacks in the bedroom. Okay, yeah, I'm getting out of here. It's gross.